so it is getting dark. I have a tinted visor, and we're leaving a little late today, but we're gonna do the audio check, see how everything is. Hopefully everything comes out good. Not gonna do anything crazy, just gonna do some testing on this one, see what you guys, if you guys like it or not, see if the audio comes out good, but we'll see. I'll get back with you when we hit the highway. Alright, so I had an entire video already recorded out, and unfortunately the mic did not hear a word that was said. So, we're going to try this again, and we're going to get on the highway, and it's nighttime, and here we go. Alright, you see this guy right here? No bueno. Alright. So being that it is darker and that I can't see shit, I can't be doing anything super crazy. I mean, we'll see, but like, yeah, it sucks that I just can't see anything. Trying to sit up a little higher too, so that you guys can actually see, because if I go full tuck, then you can't see anything with the windshield. Alright, can't see shit. Fuck it. Oh, that's a biker. I was wondering what that was. I'm not gonna be a dick. I'll wait for him to go. Unless he sits there too long. Oh yeah, he's speeding up for me. Hell yeah, nice guy. Come on. There you go. I'll give him the wave. Probably just scared the shit out of that guy, to be honest. So we are not going for any top speed runs tonight. Just kind of chilling. Do a little shoulder check, make sure we're not being followed. Around these corners can get a little sketchy sometimes too, because that little road piece right there in the middle. I don't know if the camera caught that. We got a little fireball. Oh, pops and bangs. I love the sound. You'll love it. Oh, I can see again. I put my... There we go. There's 38. So y'all will notice I'm not some like crazy... Oh, hopefully I didn't... Hold on a second. Checking my pockets. I think they're still there. But I'm not some crazy guy like Jixer, bruh. You know, that dude is wild. But, I mean, I move pretty good, but dude's going way faster than I'm comfortable with. Let's just put it that way. Oh shit. Put her in neutral. Oh, cool. Thought I lost my plugs there for a minute, but yeah, I'm not some crazy rider. Just, you know, the normal stuff. I'm always afraid to ride with people too, because like everybody be crashing around here. You guys that are just way too comfortable. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Somebody beeping. It's the first time I haven't listened to music on a journey. Now, I think I made a few points in the video that I recorded that had no audio other than wind noise because the GoPro was taking all of it. But I did make a point. I love to dodge cars. Okay, I'm not one of those guys that gets pissed off that somebody changes lanes. If you're in a, you know, first of all, let's just break down the point. All cars drive like assholes. All right, done deal. Okay. Secondly, if someone wants to change lanes and a biker is going way fast, or like, you know, 10, 15 plus above the speed limit, and they change lanes, and the car doesn't see the bike, it is what it is. I don't ever get mad at that shit. Like, I understand that most of these guys drive like assholes, and it doesn't matter if, you know, bikers lane splitting this and that gives bikers a bad name, because cars already have a bad name for being cars. So I could care less what people think. If anything, it just gives you guys, you know, a topic to discuss. But I do not care one bit if cars cut me off. I get cut off all the time. And it's one of those you just gotta, you know, case by case basis. You just gotta pick and choose what you think the best course of action is gonna be. Look at these. Look at these two cars. They don't even know I'm coming. They don't even know. Now they know. Now they know. Now they're gonna be pissed. And I don't give a shit. Cause like, watch this. Gone. Now I'm not flooring it at all. I'm just kind of like, just casual cruising. If you guys want, let's see here. Let me get on the straight. For shits and giggles. I don't usually do it, but alright, we're gonna chill out. This is not the place to be doing that, but I figure. There you go. Now we're cruising. I always know when I'm in 6th because whatever the speedo says, the tachometer is always 10 under. You know what? I'm gonna get behind this guy right here because I need to make this turn up here. But yeah, so 6th gear, usually 10 under, whatever. Sometimes the Mexican police like to sit in there, and yeah, you gotta watch for that. I'm not trying to, you know, get pulled over down in Mexico, because like I'm pretty far from home. But we're gonna make our turn here. Watch this. Bam. That guy's probably chasing me. Bam. Hey, look at that guy. One of them. Yep, there they are. Whee! Yeah, I'm just, you know, having a good time. You got to realize, like, everybody, there's a lot of guys that crash bikes, but there's also a lot of guys that crash cars. And you got to realize, like, after doing commercial driving for the longest time, I'm one of those people that actually takes the time to learn their piece of equipment, whereas a lot of people in cars don't even know their cars. And hell yeah. Oh, I wish I could get a shot of that for you guys. The pops. I love the pops. Next year when we do the 750 swap, or actually I should say over the course of the winter, when we get the 750 swap in, we're going to take this down to get Chris Moore to tune it and make a badass street bike. The 600, it was nice, but it definitely lacks that low end torque. But up here, or well, I should say down here in Mexico, a 1000 is just too much in my opinion. That opinion could change, but as of now, that's the excuse I'm giving myself to not buy the 1000. Also, the insurance price is astronomical, so I don't really want to be messing with that insurance cost. But we're almost there. I'll probably film some a little bit later.
Let me get on the back.
What? Hold on, I got music in. What? No. See ya. Y'all want to see me piss people off? God, I love doing that. Watch just a random cop like come up from behind and be like, "Oh, you can't do that." See, the point of doing that too, you gotta like not interfere with other people or like inconvenience other people. If you're gonna do that and be first at a red light, you should always pay attention to the red light. Whenever it changes, go immediately. That way you're not inconveniencing anybody. Oh, well, I guess no fun tonight. They got the whole right lane blocked off. Or do they? I wonder if I could go around. I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it. I wonder what they got going on up there. I wonder if I could grab one of these cones. Intrusive thoughts. Grab a cone. Ah! Let the throttle lock get it. Ah! Grab it. Oh, that one I feel like I almost got, but I don't know if I can do it. I feel like that'll hurt. I wonder. Doo-doo, doo-doo, little-ly, little-ly. I don't know, guys. I'm in a really good mood tonight. I'm just kind of like fucking around. Whee! Like there could be a whole fucking drop-off. You know? Like that, right there. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know. Like there could be a drop-off. They were working on the road back a while. And I don't know, way back down south, or actually up north a little bit. And yeah, they had like the whole thing like cut out in a lot of spots. I kind of want to fly. I don't like these slow speeds. Alright, what gear are we in? I think we're in third. Look at all that. They're rebuilding Mexico. That's what I'll title the video. Rebuilding Mexico, Motovlog. There was definitely a tire right there. How you guys feel about my clutchless shifting? Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it at this. I don't think there's much else going on. It's pretty dark. I don't know where my exit's at. How do I take the exit? Can I take the exit? Okay, I'm taking the exit. Clutchless downshifts. What do y'all think? These roads are shit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, do what you do. Talk shit about the riding, my Stig. But just keep in mind that everything you saw in this video was filmed in Mexico and has nothing to do with the owner of the channel. My Stig be putting in work down in Mexico, and I just be doing a voiceover. Closed course in Mexico. Appreciate you guys. Later.